ready as she encapsulates everything high school life has offered. May I call on Eros Dominic G. De Vera with the highest honors for her words of gratitude. Please give her a big round of applause.
A pleasant morning to our principal, Dr. Rodrigo Jimenez, Prefect of Discipline, Dr. Des Zargon, President Sir Gilbert Y. Lazaro, honored guests, Board of Trustees, teachers, proud parents, and most of all, my fellow computers. As Teddy Ackerman from Attack on Titan said, all of us had to spend our lives strong on something, else we'd have no cause to keep pushing on. Everyone was a slave to something. These words never left my mind because I've come to realize that every one of us has something that kept us going. Everyone was a slave to something. Whether it was their dream to study at a prestigious school, to be the muse of someone's art, or simply to be seen by those whom we love. As for Aaron Leader, he was a slave to freedom. But as for me, I was a slave to one thing, proving I was capable of something. Most of you probably know hindi nakiyak ko. Sa lahat ng naging pangalawang tahanan ko sa paalam ito, unang Messiah, Moses, Ark, Angels, lahat ng room na yan may patak ng luha ko. And as time goes on, I glance back at those moments when I cried, screamed to my pillow, and the times I almost gave up. I used to think back then na kapag umiyak ka, mahina ka. Pero ngayon, tears became proof that I was trying, that I was growing. These experiences became a reminder that I am capable of something even on the hardest days. Those moments taught me the phrase, kinaya ko noon, mas kakayanin ko ngayon. Being capable is about taking small steps, one after another, even when everything feels overwhelming or even when no one is watching. Because in the end, it's you who's building your own path, not anyone else. And despite everything, it is not about achieving an award during recognition, but about the sacrifices you made just to get here. Pagpupuyat, paggawa ng slip, pag-aasikaso sa phones, pagre-record ng attendance, pagtuturo ng steps, at iba pang mga sakripisyo na ginawa ninyo para sa sarili ninyo at para sa iba. Let these be a reminder that you are capable. Be proud of yourself, my fellow computers. And standing here today wouldn't be possible without the people who walk beside you, beside us, through every step of our journey. First of all, I would like to thank God for guiding me and giving me the wisdom that kept me going throughout this journey. To our principal, Dr. Rodrigo Jimenez, Assistant Principals, Ma'am Jennifer Castillo and Ma'am Lily Diaz, Prefect of Discipline, Ma'am Lourdes Zargon, and President Sir Gilbert Y. Lazaro. We extend our sincere gratitude for your leadership and dedication in guiding our school community. To our maintenance, school staff, guards, and canteen members, we sincerely thank you for your hard work and dedication in keeping our school safe, organized, and welcoming every day. To our teachers from our elementary years to high school, thank you for your guidance, patience, and dedication. You not only taught us lessons from books, but also lessons in life about perseverance, responsibility, and believing in ourselves even when things get tough. To Ma'am Gwen, who helped me believe in myself during moments of failure, thank you. You may not realize it, but through your words, you've helped so many students, including me. To my coach and trainer generation, Ma'am Dada, thank you for helping me unveil a talent I never realized I once had. Because of you, I learned not just how to speak, but how to express, to connect, and to stand with courage. To my grade 10 teacher, Nanay Marie, who let us feel the care of a loving nanay. Tatay Francis taught us how to face and solve our own problems in life. Mom Robbie, who taught us to become aware, critical, and responsible individuals in society. Mom Rose, who taught us not only how to solve equations, but also in reminding us that every problem in life has a solution. And Sir Rico, who taught us through joyful and lively discussions that made learning memorable. Higit sa mga salita ang pasasalamat na maihahandog namin sa inyo dahil hindi kayo naging guro lamang. Kayo ay naging pangalawang magulang namin kung saan nabubuksan namin ang aming mga puso. Sa bawat payo, bawat yakap, bawat oras na inihahandog niyo sa amin at sa bawat wow na inyong nasanggit. Meron kayong nahuhubog na puso at iyon ang hindi namin makakalimutan. Taos-puso namin pinasasalamatan sa lahat ng aral na pinagkaloob ninyo sa amin. Tunay na mamimiss namin kayo lahat. Mahal na mahal po kayo ng grade 10. To my grade 7 advisor, Ma'am Jade, though you aren't here today, I am truly thankful for all the support and guidance you have given me. To my Mami Rem, salamat po sa pakikinig, pag-iintindi, and guiding me through challenges both in school and in life. To my Mom Eka, my crying shoulder, who has witnessed me being overwhelmed with projects and has always been there when I am in need of support and guidance. Thank you for helping me keep going even when things felt too much. And especially to our Kuya Jay, Sir John, our advisor. Thank you for being more than just a teacher to us. You were there for us through deadlines we thought we couldn't meet, moments we felt stressed out of or unsure of ourselves, and even during the times we just needed someone to listen. We are truly grateful for all the ways you've helped us grow, not just as students, but as learning to believe in ourselves. And to my fellow completers, thank you. I am grateful sa lahat ng tawanan, hard work, pagod sa araw ng practice, and even the little challenges we face together. Each of you has made this year unforgettable. And the bonds we've built, the teamwork we've shown, and the memories we've created will stay with me long after today. I am proud to have been part of this batch and even prouder to complete junior high school with all of you. To my former sections, Messiah, Moses, and Art, thank you for the memories, the laughter, and the challenges we've shared. Each of you shaped a part of my high school journey, and I carry with me the lessons, friendships, and memories we created together. At syempre, makakalimutan ko ba ang grade 10 angels? Wala akong masabi kundi salamat. Salamat dahil never niyo akong nabigo. Hindi lang sa group performances, kundi pati na rin sa pagbibigay buhay sa loob ng mundo natin. Walang araw na lumipas na hindi tayo nagkakawanan. At gusto ko magpasalamat sa pagbibigay ng lakas at inspirasyon araw-araw. Hindi lang kayo mga naging kaklase ko. Kayo ay naging bahagi ng aking kwento at alaala na hindi ko malilimutan. I also want to take a moment to thank some very special people who have been with me through thick and thin. To Lian, who has been my best friend since grade 1, thank you for the friendship and memories we had growing up. To Agatha and Des, who always found ways to comfort me. You may not realize it, but your support during the times I cried meant the world to me. To my day ones, thank you for supporting me all these years. You've been there in ways both big and small, cheering me on and celebrating me, even the little victories. To my ride or die girls, thank you for filling my days with laughter and for simply being yourselves. Sa aking mga kosa, you three have this magic of bringing out the side of you that not everyone gets to see. You guys laughed at me until our stomachs hurt and were there through both my awkward moments and my proudest victories. Thank you for giving me a space where I can truly shine. To Steph, my one call away sister and my shoulder to cry on. There are times when life feels heavy, and you've been that person I could always turn to. Your presence has been the calm to my storms, my laughter to stressful moments, You've seen me at my best, my worst, and everything in between. And you have never left my side. Finally, I just want to say I am so proud of all of you. Each one of you has touched my life in ways you may not even realize. Thank you for being a part of my story. To my constant, thank you. Thank you for everything big and small. You've made me feel seen, been the positive to my negative thoughts, and even in ways words sometimes can express. Thank you for being consistent, for being kind, and for showing me what it feels like to have someone genuinely by your side. To my daddy, from nursery until now, siya ang laging hatid sundo ko. Thank you for everything you've done for me, even in the simplest ways. That means so much. You never once made me feel like I was a burden. To my mommy, kung saan ko nakuha ang pagiging matatag ko, thank you. I still remember the times we would argue, especially about my studies. I was sumunod on and I didn't always understand you. But now, I realized that everything you did was for me. I know this moment is not just mine, it's yours too. And lastly, to my Lord in heaven, the reason behind everything I am and everything I achieve. Sana may ako politika at makita ulit ang pinakamalaking mungki pag-uwi ko. Maraming pagkakataon na sana naikwento ko sa iyo. Ang mga maliit kong achievements, mga hamon na nagpasan ko, at ang mga tao sa supportahan ako sa journey ko. I miss you more than words can say, and I love you with all my heart. Pinapangako ko lang, palagi kitang gagawin proud. Before I end this speech, I want to leave you off with a reminder. Don't ever feel like you're behind. Don't ever feel guilty when you take a rest. Ang buhay ay hindi karera, and each of us has our own journey. Have something that keeps you going, something that drives you to become the best version of yourselves. But never let it control you or make you a slave to it. Let your passions inspire you, but remember to always stay in charge of your own journey. To my fellow competitors, congratulations, we made it. I wish every one of you all the success, happiness, and fulfillment in the next chapter of your lives. May you continue to grow, shine, and make memories that you'll cherish forever. Once again, this is Eros Dominic G. Rivera with highest honors saying, you